everyone, this is Begonia with Simply Health. Today you're going to see how easy it is to make garlic oil at home. In my video last week, I shared with you 7 amazing benefits of garlic, one of which is its anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic oil can be applied to sore and inflamed joints and muscles, and it is so effective at relieving soreness that even the Arthritis Foundation recommends it to help prevent cartilage damage from arthritis. And although it may not work for everyone, it is so safe that if you have soreness in muscles or joints, you have nothing to lose. So let me show you how easy it is to make garlic oil at home. Let's get to it. Ingredients. You're going to need 10 peel cloves of garlic. You can cut them or crush them. It's up to you. You're going to need 250 milliliters or 8 ounces of olive oil. I use the first cold press olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, because it has the most antioxidants. The next step is optional. You can add fresh rosemary to your garlic oil if you like, but it's so aromatic and it also acts as an anti-inflammatory agent that it's good to add it, and it does not hinder the garlic's healing effects. Now you put all the ingredients in a pot over low to medium heat. Remember that the allicin from the garlic doesn't do well in high heat, so you want to make sure that the heat is low. It smells delicious over here. I wish we could videotape the smell. Keep it at this heat for 10 to 15 minutes, making sure it does not boil. Then you turn the heat off, cover the pot, and let it sit overnight or for at least 8 hours. Transfer the oil into a glass container. You can keep all the ingredients in it or strain the oil, whichever you prefer. Make sure the container has a lid. Then you apply to the sore area, gently massaging for 5 to 7 minutes. You can do this several times a day. Try it for at least a week if you've had an injury for quite some time. Remember not to microwave this oil. Store in a cool place or refrigerate. It should last for 3 weeks before it starts to become rancid or spoils. And that's it. Super easy. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Share it with others that may benefit and leave any comments and questions below. Thank you for sharing this time with me. Until next time, cheers to your health.